So you might have heard about affiliate marketing, but you're not quite sure how to get it to work for you. Today I'm going to share with you a beginner's guide to affiliate marketing, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to get affiliate marketing to work for you so that you can earn money. Hi guys, I'm Abby and I help mamas turn their blogs into businesses. I'm always asked how I make money online and how someone can create an income stream through affiliate marketing. So today I'm going to share that with you. I'm going to share with you a step-by-step affiliate marketing guide for beginners so that you can start to earn from affiliates. Okay, so what exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you recommend a product or a service that you love, that you use, and that you can wholeheartedly recommend. You recommend that to your audience. You are given a special trackable affiliate link, and if they go on to then go through that link and purchase that product or service, you will get a commission. It's as easy as that. So how much can you earn from affiliate marketing? So this varies depending on the affiliate that you are working for. With some affiliates like Amazon, it can be 4%, which doesn't seem that much, but with other affiliates it can be 20, 30, 40, 50, even up to 70% for some affiliates. Most of them are at the bottom end of that scale, at 20 to 40, but there are affiliates out there that will do you a good deal for recommending their products. So where can you put your affiliate links? Well, there are so many places that you can put affiliate links. Always check with the affiliate to where they are allowing the links. Some might not allow them directly in an email or directly on social media. Just check it out before you put them everywhere. But one of the main places that you can put affiliate links is in a blog post. So you would create a blog post about that affiliate product. So for example, I'm a ConvertKit affiliate. I would write about ConvertKit and I would put my affiliate links in there. The brilliant thing about this is that hopefully your content is really helpful. So it might be a step-by-step guide to getting started with ConvertKit. And so people would get lots of value out of that and then click through my link to purchase ConvertKit. The brilliant thing about this is that it's evergreen content, so it's never going to go, I might need to update it, but it's not going to go out of fashion, or it's not going to be not topical. So it's going to get traffic for years to come, and so your affiliate link is going to be working for you for years to come as well. So you might even want to create a video about the product or service, and I could have done this with ConvertKit. I think I actually have at some point. But you can do the video content. That's great. It's going to be searchable. It's going to be evergreen. So both blog and video content can be directly about the product or service you are an affiliate for. For example, the ConvertKit tutorial. Or it could be more subtle in the way that maybe I write about email marketing in general and I mention ConvertKit, and so I'll change that link to an affiliate link. So either way, whether it's direct and head on or whether you are just putting the link in a more general post, both of these ways are great and you should utilize both of them, and they will be driving sales to your affiliate link long term. So you can also share your affiliate links on social media. You can share your thoughts. Obviously you can share that content that you've created, but you can also actually just share additional information. Maybe the product or service has had an update, and so you might want to share that update with your audience on social media using your affiliate links. And also you can add your affiliate links to emails and maybe even your welcome sequence. If it's, I think in one of my welcome sequence emails I have the tools that I love and the tools that I use, and so that would be full of affiliate links. So in emails going forward, and also in that welcome section of your emails, then that's a great place to put affiliate links. So before we move on, I'd love to know which products and services you would recommend to your friends. So regardless of whether they were affiliate links or not, which would you love to recommend to friends? Products or services that could be personal or business, and put your answers in the comments below. I'd love to see. So there are 3 things I'd love everyone to remember when they're doing affiliate marketing. So the first is the cookie. So sometimes you can be an affiliate for one product, and for example, let's pick Amazon and a book. So you might recommend a book. Somebody might go through your affiliate link to the book. They might not even buy the book. They might go on to buy a bed or a microphone or something completely different, because Amazon is like such an amazing shop with loads of things in it and people can get quite carried away. But if they go through your affiliate link, regardless or not of whether they buy the thing that you've linked to, they will be creating a basket full of products that you will get an affiliate fee for. So they might buy your book, but they also might then add in something else and a few other things, and you will get the commission on all of their basket. Okay, this isn't the case for all affiliates, but check the small print, because sometimes the cookie that is on that affiliate link means that your commission goes on the entire basket, or it might even go on the basket for the next 90 days. So if they add something but then they don't check out for a certain amount of time, and then they add other things, so that's worth bearing in mind as well. The second thing I want you to think about is that if you're an affiliate for something that is a subscription, so maybe it's a monthly fee, some affiliates are set up that you get the commission each month as well. So that is the case for ConvertKit. So if someone joins ConvertKit through my link and then they carry on being a monthly member, as long as they carry on being a member, I carry on getting a monthly commission from their fee. And the third thing is most important: only recommend products and services that you've used and that you would recommend to a friend and that you really, really like. Don't just become a sleazy internet marketer and affiliate marketer and recommend anything just in case you get that sale, because you're going to get more conversions if you can genuinely really recommend a product or service. So how can you start making this an income stream in your business? So step one would be brainstorm a big list of all of the things that products and services that you love and that you would recommend. So that could be a huge list. It could be personal, business, hobby, it could be anything. Write them all down and then research the affiliate schemes that might be in place for those products. So some people might have affiliates, some people might not, and so do that after you've brainstormed. Research the ones that you could apply for, and then you're going to apply for those affiliates. You're going to set up some spreadsheets to keep track of all the links and all your logins and all of that jazz. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go back to any old content that you already have, and if the affiliate is a good fit for that content, then you can put it in. Maybe you've mentioned it but you weren't an affiliate, and so go back and add the affiliate links to the content that you already have, and then create new content for affiliates. So this might be a general post about email marketing that you include ConvertKit, or it might be a particular step-by-step walkthrough using a certain product. And then you can also create a resources page. So if you're a photographer, you can create a tools I use page. You can put your camera, you can put all of the other things that you use, and affiliate link all of those. And then you're also going to create a welcome sequence. Hopefully you already have one for your emails, and you're going to add your affiliate links into your welcome sequence. So maybe you mention something in a one-off email, or maybe you have a tools I use email that goes out to people. Either way, make sure that your affiliate links are incorporated into your welcome sequence and into your emails going forward. So what do you really need to be successful at affiliate marketing? Well, you do need an audience, and the more traffic the better. So the more audience members that hit that social media post or that hit that blog post, the better. But they will really only convert if they trust you and trust what you say. And so having a really authentic connection with your audience is really, really important. They want to know that you're not just recommending any old stuff to get a sale, that you're really only recommending the products and services that you love. And so building that audience to be more successful, build that audience, but also build that really strong engagement with your community. So now you know how to make affiliate marketing work for you, and you can start these things today. So you can start getting set up right now. So if you want to join a community of women just like you, I run a secret society where I share up-to-date blogging and biz tips that will help you turn your blog into a business. So I'll put the links up in the card for the Mompreneur Revolution. It's a Facebook group, and I'd love to see you on the inside. So if you like this video, please let me know by liking it below, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more videos. And I'd love to know what products or services that you would recommend to your friends, and leave a comment below. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.